Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 topics as usual. And I'm going to give you guys a quick update on Blak Ryno's situation. As you guys know, he was in a car accident and he was said to be in critical condition. But I have an update for you guys. The next one we're going to be talking about is the female security guard that was found stabbed to death at her workplace. And then the last and final one is the 2-year-old girl that was mowed down in St. James. So let's get right into it. Dancehall artist Blak Ryno is said to be in stable condition in New York hospital following a motor vehicle crash earlier Wednesday morning. He is still in the ICU, but he's recovering. His condition has improved and he is now stable and breathing on his own. A member of the DJ's management team told Newsloot reporter Claude Mill. The source, who requested anonymity, means that they want to keep their identity hidden, was unable to say which hospital the DJ was admitted to or give any details about the incident. I spoke to his mother, who is overseas with him in New York, and she told me that he is stable, said the source. Blak Ryno, whose real name is Romaine Anderson, was an important member of the successful Portmore Empire music group, scoring several hits such as Real Stinger, Dollar Kind, and Bite Back. Bite Back was personally one of my faves. Hold on, the Bite Back. Yeah. Cause you don't know say Ryno like that. Before severing ties with Vybz Kartel, he scored an empathetic victory over Kippridge at Sting at a face-off several years ago. He migrated to USA a few years ago and got married. This is not the first time that Blak Ryno has been in an incident. As of November 2014, he was traveling along Mullins Road in St. Andrew when his motorcycle crashed. He received treatment at the St. Andrew Memorial Hospital after that incident. So that is how he's doing. He's in stable condition now and he is doing okay. One thing I have to say though, this is the second artist that have met in a car accident in a few weeks. I don't met in a car accident 2 weeks ago. And I feel like this is due to the fact that they're always smoking, they're always drinking, and they don't have responsible people around them that can be designated drivers. Everybody want in at the party, everybody want in at the spotlights and the fee and pop champagne and bottles and all these things, and there's nobody to actually say, all right, me I'll take the car, me I go drive, I'm not gonna drink or smoke tonight. So I feel like these artists need to be more careful when doing stuff like this. So all of who they wish dead and the call them dead pan Blak Ryno. Sorry, you know, dead. Sorry. A 43-year-old female security guard was found stabbed to death in Tivoli Gardens, West Kingston on Wednesday night. Reports are that the woman's body was found along Mackenzie Drive near the health clinic in the community. She has been identified as Diana Civil, who is of Kingston address and was reportedly at work in Tivoli Gardens at the time of her death. Reports are that 7:50 p.m. colleagues discovered Silver lying motionless on the ground. Sources said the body had several stab wounds. She was pronounced dead at hospital. A team of police officers is presently on the crime scene. That is so sad. You can be doing a honest living like a guard and you get killed for no reason at all. And 99% of these cases, these murder cases or these homicide cases, never get solved by Jamaican police. And it's very sad because these people can't get any justice at all. Their family just go in vain. And instead of them looking into fixing the missing people, the amount of missing people that we've been seeing in Jamaica is crazy, from young to old, and it's getting out of control. And also finding these killer murderers and rapists in these communities, but they're more worried about cutting down ganja. But anyways, let's get into the other one. And it says 34-year-old Diana Whitley, the mother of Sasha Dennis, the 2-year-old child who was mowed down in a hit-and-run accident in downtown Montego Bay, St. James on Tuesday night, said that her daughter was on her way to being Jamaica's next dancing sensation. Munchie, as Sasha Gaze called, loved dancing more than anything, she told the Star. She was a brilliant girl for her age, and I know said the way how she loved dance, one day she would be one of Jamaica's next dancing star. Reports reaching the Star are that shortly after 7 p.m. on Tuesday, Whiteley and her 4 children were on their way back from a beach located along Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay. On reaching the eastbound lane that separates the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard and Howard Cook Boulevard, a motorist stopped in order to allow the family of 5 to cross the roadway. However, a Nissan Note motorcar vehicle sped around the car that stopped and mowed down Sasha Gay and her 10-year-old sister, Hennessy. After discovering that he had knocked down 2 juveniles, the driver reportedly came to a halt and a male passenger who was traveling in the front of the vehicle jumped out. A frightened Whiteley and dozens of commuters started to scream at the driver, indicating that the baby was still underneath the car. The driver reportedly ordered the passenger back into the vehicle and sped away, dragging Sasha Gay for several meters. Wow. I hope they find whoever did this and let him rot in jail. That's so disgusting and sad. I have 5 children. Munchie is my baby and she is my everything. Every day she would amuse all away with some big people question and with her dancing, the mother said. Whiteley have 5 children, her eldest being 17 years old, Gerard Tomlinson. Vanessa is now in the hospital after being seriously injured in the hit and run. Shansia Palmer 8, Tashawn Palmer 7, and the baby Sasha Gay. Munchie helped keep all of it together. Everybody love her and amused by her dancing. Me don't know, me not working now, but my 2 sisters them live abroad and them and my auntie who live next door help me to take care of them and to ensure said them have a happy home, the mother related. Beverly Drummond, grand aunt of the dead infant, told the Star that she too remember Munchie as a dancing star. Me never see a little pitney so promising and love to dance so much, the aunt stated. Sometimes when you're down, Munchie would just come in front of you and just brighten up your day with her dancing. The police, them say, them have launched a manhunt for the driver, but me I beg him to make things easy for all the way and turn himself over to the police, Drummond said. Meanwhile, the senior police yesterday said investigators expect to make an early breakthrough in the case. He said that they have traced the ownership of the vehicle to a male who resides in Yallas, St. Thomas, and I hope they find him and literally dash him away in a jail. When you hit somebody, you're supposed to actually stop and help. If he didn't drag the child few meters away, the child could have possibly still been alive today. But you know how these people are in Jamaica. They're disgusting. Expect them to act civilized nowadays, and that's sad. And then as parents, they have to be more careful in Jamaica, more cautious. You know, on these roadways, these drivers don't care. They drive speed, do all kind of craziness on the road. So when you're crossing, make sure you have all your children go in front of you, or just be very cautious. Children are dying left, right, and center, and you don't want your child to be the next victim. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Beat and teach.